Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage contracts with LegalZoom step by step clearly. To manage contracts with LegalZoom, start by visiting the LegalZoom website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the Contracts section on the dashboard. Select Create a new contract to begin drafting your document. Choose the type of contract you need from the available templates. Fill in the required fields with accurate information. Review each section to ensure clarity and completeness. Utilize LegalZoom's guidance for additional insights on specific clauses. Once satisfied, proceed to the review stage. Check for any suggestions or alerts that may require your attention. Make any necessary changes based on the review. When ready, select Finalize Contract to complete the process. Download or save a copy of the contract for your records. If needed, share the contract with relevant parties via the platform. Keep track of any responses or actions taken on the contract. Regularly revisit your LegalZoom account to manage all contracts effectively. Use the platform's tools for tracking deadlines and milestones associated with your agreements. If you encounter any issues, utilize LegalZoom's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.